Hey guys, welcome to my channel in Phone Tech. Today we will compare Huawei Nova 40 and Samsung Galaxy A40. Let's start. First, RAM and storage. Nova 40 has two options in RAM, 4GB and 6GB. Other side you will get just one option, 4GB. And talk about the storage. Nova 40 has 128GB storage and other side you will get a 64GB storage. Next we will talk about front camera. Huawei Nova 40 has 32 megapixel front camera and Samsung Galaxy A40 has 25 megapixel front camera. Next we compare display. Huawei Nova 40 has 6.1 inch Full HD Plus IPS display and Samsung Galaxy A40 has 5.9 inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. Let's see the difference in rear cameras. Huawei Nova 40 has triple rear camera, 24 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and 8 megapixel, and other side Samsung Galaxy A40 has dual rear camera, 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. Let's talk about the performance, in which we talk about the processor and chipset. Huawei Nova 40 has 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and KEYone 710 chipset, and other side Samsung Galaxy A40 has 2.2 GHz octa-core processor, same, and but a difference in chipset. You will get a Exynos 7885 chipset. Next, let's see some other features. Both have a Android 9.0 Pie and talk about the SIM. Both have a dual SIM and talk about the GPU. Huawei Nova 40 has Mali G51 MP4 GPU and Samsung Galaxy A40 has Mali G71, and both have a fingerprint sensor on the back. And talk about the battery. Huawei Nova 40 has 3340 mAh battery with fast battery charging, and Samsung Galaxy A40 has 3100 mAh normal battery with fast battery charging. If we talk about the price, Huawei Nova 40 expected price is 20,000 in India rupees and 290 in US dollar, and Samsung Galaxy A40 expected price is 20,000 same and 290 in US dollar. Thanks friends for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos update.